We just finished shopping and all of this stuff that we bought for the day right there. Muffin for Nanay. We will give Nanay, okay? Mami? Give Nanay kahit na isang yung anin, bigyan mo sa kanila. Sunny, yesterday my life. Thank you, thank you. Together. And the other side. It was done a little bit baby mama, do the right. Dahil pa rin ako ano, no? In that old cotton field back home. Dalawa yung anak niya, kalilin pa. Ano lang, apo natin, may. Ha? Yeah. Okay na eh.